jingas nok ti lang bat ki pai ba nong shong shnong jang gori barokoi ki bor pnya district jang bas khasil menta sngi an majai khat wai trek unai weng kala pelong ki jingrakhe ya ka lingkho sngi kha ba shispa sanpho jong Sardar Vallabhai Patel uba ka re India kala jukhat kumyu u Iron Man ya ka tei ka jingrakhe la pelong Nong Ston Indoor Stadium ha kabala wan banya shimbenta leki spangut ki khena school nelor ki khena school kledon ringkat ru leki officer sarkar ha kaba uba RG moment MLA karam brai jirngam ulolong kongsan ha katai ka sngi la samru yeki kusnam sheki samla ki blatre shitam na ka benta pan kintiu ya ka imlang salang bat kladon ru ka jingya precision ban penpa ya ka jingya teli hapring jangki nong shong shnong hakri brok away.
He is our national figure in India. He has had become a deputy prime minister. He has served with Mahatma Gandhi. He has sacrificed himself and he followed the principle of Mahatma Gandhi. And he served for India to integrate all 500 provinces or states to integrate together, to bring together India right now. So he is the person who has sacrificed many things. He had communalism. He don't like drugs addicts. He don't like alcoholism. I know that one. And then he had all this caste discrimination. He wants to love together so that we can bring progressive and development of the country like that. So, what are the qualities of the S. Sardar Patel? Only little I want. He is decision making, influential and firm in his decision, and accurate construction of his goal, whatever he plans to do. He always sacrifices and he don't stop unless he reaches the goal like that. And deep love for the country. He loved the Indian people, committed to its freedom and unity. He preferred unity and honesty and integrity, personal and public life. He is so honest and he has integrity to serve for the people. He has sacrificed again.